Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started.
Whoa!
Oh no, while sawing the tree, the two men did not calculate correctly, causing the tree to fall straight onto the roof. The loud bang was heard and the roof shattered. Wow, this chaotic scene will surely make the crane operator say to himself, "Next time, I must calculate more carefully." With precise sawing technique, the worker brought down the large tree without causing any damage. Uh-oh, the tree still stands tall as if to say, "Do you think it's easy to pull me up?" Seeing this scene, everyone couldn't help but laugh, and the guy just wanted to quickly escape the two ladders. Wow, the tree is probably standing there laughing. Don't underestimate my stamina. Looking at the scene, everyone can feel the absolute power of nature. The tree's fall left everyone in shock. Luckily, neither the man nor the fence were injured. Amazing, with precise planning and great coordination, they used the car to pull down the large tree perfectly. The tree fell down and destroyed the fence in an instant. The guy could only stand there staring blankly at the rubble and sighing. Oh my God, the tree fall was heart-stopping, but the safety rope did its job, keeping the worker safe. He was just a little bit away from a serious accident. He must be breathing a sigh of relief. Perfect, the tree fell with absolute precision. A perfect navigation, the tree trunk fell into the adjacent structure. Oh no, the tree's violent fall not only took away the roof, but also the homeowner's wallet. The crash left everything in a mess. It will take the homeowner a month to repair the house. I don't think I can do better than him. Uh-oh, the amateur worker accidentally turned the tree into a decoration on the roof. Wow, nature is truly great, even when falling. Hopefully the roof is sturdy enough that no serious damage occurs. Everyone was shocked when the whole tree fell down. Noab, what a fatal fall. A scene of devastation, and everyone around could only sigh in dismay. The large tree fell down and suddenly broke in half as soon as it hit the ground. The scene was both majestic and unfortunate.
I know I'm tense. Oh God, oh no! Ha!
What a perfect example of failed teamwork. Wow, the messy pile of branches and leaves made everyone feel the force of the fall. Looking at the tree lying on the ground, everyone can clearly feel the majesty of nature, even when it falls. The fall couldn't have been gentler. The branches shattered into pieces, creating a chaotic scene. Boom! The tree fell down with great force. The scene was both majestic and overwhelming. Everyone who witnessed it could not help but admire. Wow, the big tree fell down with a loud bang, causing the ground to shake. The 200-year-old tree was finally cut down by the worker after many hours of careful work. Uh-oh, what an unlucky car. With perfect coordination and precision, they brought down the large tree together. Oh no, this scene will definitely make me remember forever. Impressive.
Hey! It's coming! It's coming!
The tree decided to choose the car as its final stop when it landed, making the car an unwilling victim. It reminds me of mini ocean waves. With great instincts and reflexes, the worker jumped down in time before the situation got worse. Uh-oh, I hope he's okay. Wow, it's like a fire show. Staying away when a tree is about to fall is a skill of professional workers. The tree's violent fall not only shook the ground, but also completely destroyed the fence. This is probably the clumsiest worker I have ever seen.
Ay, Dios santo.
Oh my God, he's swaying like he's on a roller coaster in midair. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.